In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and retouch portrait photos using GIMP in this GIMP tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to photo editing or looking to polish your existing skills, we'll go through a few essential steps to enhance your portrait images effectively. First, let's start by opening your chosen photo in GIMP. When you launch GIMP, you'll want to navigate to the top menu and click on File. From there, select Open and browse through your files until you find the portrait photo you wish to edit. Double-click on the image to open it in the GIMP workspace. This first step may seem basic, but having your image correctly loaded is crucial as it sets the stage for all the editing we'll be doing next. Now that your photo is ready, let's move on to refining the skin by removing any blemishes. For this, we will use the Heal tool, which is a powerful way to subtly retouch skin imperfections while preserving natural texture. You'll find the Heal tool in the toolbox on the left side of your screen. It looks like a Band-Aid. Select it, then hold down the Control key and click on a clear area of skin near the blemish to sample it. Once that's done, release the key and gently brush over the blemishes you wish to correct. This process helps blend the imperfections seamlessly into the rest of the skin, giving your portrait a clean and professional look. With the skin looking smoother, it's time to enhance the overall tone of the image. Navigate to the top menu again and choose Colors, and from the drop-down, select Levels. This will bring up a new window where you can adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights of your photo. By sliding the black and white triangles under the input levels, you can increase contrast and brighten or darken areas of your image. Be sure to adjust these sliders slowly and carefully, watching how they affect the portrait until you're satisfied with how the tones are balanced. This step can dramatically improve the depth and vibrancy of your photo, giving it a polished look. Finally, to achieve a smoother skin appearance, we'll apply a subtle blur effect. Head to Filters in the top menu, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to adjust the blur radius. For portraits, a small radius between 2 to 5 should suffice, as we want to maintain detail while evening out any remaining skin textures. Once you've applied the blur, evaluate the image to ensure it looks natural. If it seems overdone, simply reduce the radius in the Gaussian blur settings until it looks just right. And there you have it. With these easy steps, your portrait photo should now look professionally retouched. Feel free to share your results or experiment with other GIMP features to further enhance your images. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing!